Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chowder soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring your seafood is of the highest quality for the best flavor. Next, prepare your vegetables by dicing them evenly so they cook consistently. Remember, the foundation of a great chowder starts with excellent components. We'll cover each step to ensure your soup is rich and satisfying, perfect for any occasion. Let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by sautéing diced onions and celery in butter until they are softened, about 5 minutes. Then, sprinkle in a few tablespoons of flour to create a roux, stirring constantly for 1 minute. Deglaze your pot with about 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, add your diced potatoes and simmer until they are just tender. Now it's time for the stars of the show. Gradually stir in your dairy, like 2 cups of whole milk or half and half, ensuring it heats slowly. Once the base is warm, gently fold in your seafood, such as 1 pound of fresh clams or cod fillets. Simmer the chowder very gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until the seafood is cooked through. Remember, never let it come to a rolling boil. Your chowder is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. A pinch of cayenne pepper can add a lovely warmth. Ladle the hot chowder into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or chives. Serve immediately with some crusty bread for dipping. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.